Students, today we are going to learn manufacturing account. We are going to solve two problems today. Let me see the first problem. I written on the board. Mr. Pankaj runs a factory which produces motor spares of export quality. The following details were obtained about his expense for the year ended 31st March 2016. Work in progress, opening, closing. Raw material, opening, closing, purchases, returns, indirect material, wages, direct wages, indirect wages, direct expenses, royalty paid on production, repair and maintenance, depreciation on factory shed, depreciation on plant and machinery, byproduct at selling price 20,000. These are all given. With the help of this, we are going to prepare manufacturing account. Before preparation of manufacturing account, we have to draw the format. Manufacturing account of Mr. Pankaj for the year ended 31st March 2016. The manufacturing account debit side starts with opening work in progress. Credit side starts with the closing work in progress. Then raw material consumed, direct wages, direct expenses, factory overhead. You have to draw like this. Then only we can solve the problem very easily. Now look at the problem. Opening work in progress. It is the first item of the manufacturing account recorded in the debit side. Then second one, closing work in progress, it should be credited. First item. Then raw material. First we have opening raw material. We can use opening raw material for the purpose of calculation of material consumed. What is the formula? Opening stock plus purchase of raw material, then minus of purchase returns, then minus closing stock of raw material. This is the format of material consumed. Opening stock is given 3,02,000. Then closing stock of raw material given 3,10,000. Then purchase of raw material given 12,10,000. 12,10,000. Then returns, what we call it as purchase return, 18,000 are given. Next, indirect material, it will be recorded in the factory overhead. Indirect material recorded in the factory overhead. The value 16,000. Value 16,000. Then wages, direct wages 2,10,000. Be recorded against the direct wages. Then indirect wages 48,000. It will be recorded in the factory overhead. Value 48,000. Then we have direct expenses, royalty paid on production. It is a direct expenses. Royalty paid on production. The value 1,30,000. Then repair and maintenance is a factory expenses. Repair and maintenance are factory expenses. Maintenance or factory expenses, the value 2,30,000. Then depreciation on factory shed is a factory expenses, factory overhead. Depreciation on plant and machinery is a factory expenses, value 60,000. Then depreciation on plant and machinery. Depreciation on plant and machinery is the 60,000. Then we have depreciation on factory shed 40,000. Depreciation on factory shed. Depreciation on factory shed rupees 40,000. Then I said sale of byproduct is an income, it should be credited. By sale of byproducts, it is an income, it should be credited. Now we have to find the material consumed. Opening stock plus purchases 15,12,000. Deduct 14,94,000 minus 3,10,000. So our material consumed 11,84,000. Now we add debit side total. We'll get 23,08,000. We'll get 23,08,000. If we deduct credit side total, we'll get balancing figure transferred to trading account, which is called cost of production. We'll get 17,81,000. This cost of production should be transferred to trading account debit side. Students, let me see second problem. Students, let me see second problem in relating to the manufacturing account. Yes, look at the board. Before solving this problem, we have to learn two tips. First tip, in manufacturing account, only factory expenses are to be recorded. Office, administration, selling and distribution expenses should not be recorded. If they recorded, we should exclude. Yes, tip number one. Yes. Tip number one, office, administration, selling, distribution expenses must be excluded in the manufacturing account. Then tip number two, if they incur additional factory expenses, manufacturing expenses, we have to add. Now look at the problem. Following are the manufacturing account. Manufacturing account given, creditor account given, and the raw material account also given, provided by the Messrs. Shivi relating to 2016 and 17. These are certain figures missing from the accounts. So certain missing informations are given. So we have to find the missing information. Raw material account given, opening stock given. This is called purchase, not given. Raw material consumed, not given. Closing stock of raw material also not given. Creditor account, paid to creditor given. Closing balance of creditor, opening balance of creditor are given. In manufacturing account, raw material consumed not given. Other informations are given. Then additional information. Purchase of machinery rupees 10 lakh. Purchase of machinery rupees 10 lakh has been omitted. So they purchased the machinery for 10 lakh. The value not recorded in the books of accounts. Depreciation is to be charged at 10%. So they did not recorded the machinery value rupees 10 lakh. So they did not recorded depreciation also. So we have adjustment for depreciation. We have adjustment for depreciation. Then wages include paid to factory workers. Correct one. If we pay wages to factory worker, that must be included in the wages. That is correct one. Okay. Paid to labor at office. So office expenses should be excluded from the wages. So we have adjustment for wages. Then direct expenses include electricity charges rupees 80,000, of which 30% relating to the office. Totally they paid electricity charges 80,000, of which 30% related to the office. So we have adjustment for direct expenses. That electricity charges relating to the office should be deducted. Okay. Then fuel charges 20,000 included in the direct expenses. That is correct one. Freight inward is a direct expenses. Correct one. Delivery charges to customer, it is a selling and distribution expenses should be excluded. Okay. Now I am going to find the missing information. Same thing I copied here. Opening stock 1 lakh. By raw material consumed not given, we have to ascertain. Purchases we have to ascertain. Closing stock we have to ascertain. Creditor, all informations are given. We are going to prepare revised manufacturing account. Raw material consumed not given, we have to ascertain. We have adjustment for wages, so I recorded in the inner column. Likewise, we have adjustment for depreciation, I recorded in the inner column. Likewise, we have adjustment for direct expenses, I recorded in the inner column. If we have adjustment with the expenses, that will have an impact on cost of production. So cost of production also I recorded in the inner column. Now I am going to solve. First I'm going to close the creditor. By closing the creditor, we'll get a credit purchase of raw material. Here, total of creditor 28 lakh, of which we deduct 15 lakh, we'll get 13 lakh. That is called credit purchase of raw material. We can transfer to raw material account. This is called credit purchase of raw material. This we can transfer it to the raw material account, value 13 lakh. So we add these two, we'll get 14 lakh. Then credit side, two informations are missing. One, raw material consumed and closing stock. With the help of revised manufacturing account, we can find the raw material consumed. Yes, raw material consumed we are going to ascertain. Here wages we have adjustment. Wages paid to factory workers 3 lakh is correct one. Paid to laborers to office 50,000, that we should exclude. So wages should be excluded by 50,000. So balance 3 lakh we supposed to write. Okay. Then purchase of machinery 10 lakh has been omitted. Depreciation charged at 10%. So they ignore 10 lakh worth of machinery. On the depreciation also not yet provided, we have to add the depreciation. On 10 lakh, 10% depreciation is 1 lakh, that we should add with the depreciation. Now it is also 3 lakh. Okay. Then come to direct expenses. Direct expenses include electricity charges 80,000, of which 30% related to the office. So 80,000 into 30% is about 24,000 we should exclude from direct expenses. Yes. Fuel charges correctly recorded in the direct expenses. Freight inward correctly recorded in the direct expenses. Delivery charges is a distribution expenses. It should be excluded. How much? 20,000. So after deducting these two, we'll get how much? 2 lakh. So what we did in the debit side, same thing we should do with the cost of production. So what we did, wages excluded. Here also we should exclude. Balance 17 lakh 44,000. Then minus, here direct expenses we exclude, here also we should exclude the same thing. We'll get 17 lakh. Then depreciation added, here also we should add the depreciation. So our new cost of production 18 lakh. New cost of production 18 lakh. 50,000 is wages to office. 44,000. 24,000 is a factory office electricity. 20,000 is the delivery charges. So delivery charges plus office electricity charges is about 44,000. Additional depreciation on plant and machinery 1 lakh added. So what we did in the debit side, same thing we should do with the cost of production. So we'll get new cost of production 18 lakh. So 18 lakh. If we deduct 8 lakh, we'll get 10 lakh balancing figure, that is raw material consumed. This should be transferred to the raw material account credit side. How much? 10 lakh. 14 lakh minus 10 lakh equal to 4 lakh. That is the balancing figure and closing stock of raw material. Students, we completed manufacturing account successfully. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.